Hey everyone, I'm so excited to be in Paris Disney today, show you the beautiful castle here and the theme park. And let's go have an amazing day with me and Uncle Dom. First thing I want to check out is the clothing and merch at Emporium in Paris Disney. Oh my god, I am so excited. So my goal is to find anything is exclusive. Oh my god, look at this right here. So pretty. Stained glass. We need to find something for me and Uncle Don, and we're looking for, I think it was this one right here, right there. Exclusive merch. So, excuse me. Oh. Whatever we buy, it needs to say freaking Paris. Otherwise, it looks just like the one Disneyland. How much is that? 40 cents. That's not too bad. It's actually same price as so there's one option.
Hey, you know, are you recording?
Yes.
You should turn it off because
this is another option, but that's kind of boring. Oh, this is nice. This is so heavy. 60 euro. You know what? This is actually shut up. Can you hold it? This is an ear. It's cute. This is cute. There's one right here, Mickey Mouse, 30 Years of Magic. And how much are this? Oh, just like US, it's hard to find price. 20 euro. You know what? The merch here is cheaper than the US. US, this will be at least $35. $35. And there's a blue Mickey 30s, and it's 23 euro, I think. Is there anything in the bag? Nothing in the bag. They also have this 30 years backpack for 40 euro. That's kind of cute. Kids stuff. Oh my god, this it's cute. Reusable. Like 2 bags in one price. And this is 30 euro. Very cute. We have that in the US, so don't buy this. Can you imagine we buy something that we have in the US? Oh my god, you need this. We don't have this in the US. We are now going to Disney clothing store because we didn't see anything we like there, so hopefully we'll find something more exclusive here. They do have a lot of cute outfit here, but I'm really looking for something that says Disney Paris. So kids session. That's a candy store. I think these are kids. Yeah. So maybe next door. To the right. So we have this in California. So I guess it's from Paris Disney. Interesting. And there's a Dooney and Bert, Disney Collections, Disney Paris. This tote bag is This is the price I can see, and this is a little one. Cute. Oh, nice scarf, Tinkerbell scarf, 70 euro. So, do we see anything?
Not really.
So the only so this is the mini collections. Mini launch fly backpack for 85 euro. So it's about the same price as US. Oh, I don't see anything. So this is the store called Constellations. It's a Toy Story merch store.
Okay, they have some better merch.
Oh, that jacket, D92, is cute.
It is cute.
I have to say their backpack, non-launch fly backpack, it's cuter here. Does it say Paris? Oh, it says Paris. Okay, you can get that. So leave a comment below. Do you guys feel like you come to Paris Disney? Don't you want to get something that says from Paris? Would you wear that?
Yeah.
This t-shirt is very cool. There's on the side.
That's the exact location. Longitude, latitude.
Oh, okay. That's interesting. And Walt Disney. And this is for 30 euros. What's the back? Nothing in the back. Okay. I think this is cuter, but they don't have this for adult. They always make kids clothing cuter than adult clothing. Okay, we gotta check out the Christmas store here. Wow, I think that their store looks better than our store. Look at all the Christmas stuff here. So apparently, I think they are much more bigger celebration Christmas than Halloween. So this is the ear. Honestly, the ears is okay. It's not that great. Kind of DIY, feel to it. There's a chocolate. Yeah, we had that last year. I bought it. It was okay. Well, if they have some kind of advent calendar, non-chocolate, I'll probably do that. That would be fantastic. Oh, okay, I can totally make this at home. Yeah, let's not buy this, but let's take a close look how they do this. Okay, DIY at home, save money. So they have this advent calendar that is a tea calendar. Wait, that is kind of cute. So there's some cute ornament. Puzzle. I love this. So cute. Let's check out this store right here. Oh, I see Halloween. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Halloween candy. As soon as I walk in, I want to walk out. I don't see anything is interesting here. You know, at the Christmas area, they have a advent calendar. That's kind of cute. Okay, it's just a candy. Oh, they have a drink, hot chocolate. See what they sell here. They have a drinks here. Okay. What's over here? Oh, this is so cute. I want a picture there. Oh my god, this is so cute. Cinderella carriage. Oh my gosh. We gotta have a picture there, Don. We gotta have a picture there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this area. Cinderella carriage. Oh my gosh. Why is we don't have this in Disneyland? Oh my god, okay, let's take a photo. So we're in Fantasyland. The store is called Sir Mickey Boutique. And let's see if anything cute here. Anything exclusive here. I mean, I definitely see a lot of items that we don't have in the US. But not many items actually show Disney Paris. So that's what I'm looking for. You know, like this is cute, but it doesn't say Disney Paris. So, yeah. Oh, this is so cool. Look at the ceiling. The vine, so awesome. Oh, go ahead. Very, very cool. As we're inside the tree now. Some other years. It is really sad that I come here. I can see the item we have. I was saying that it's kind of sad that I can recognize the item we have in the US. Oh, there's oh, it's kids, but it's so cute. You see that? That is really cute. I wonder what is the biggest size. So we're gonna check the Mind Supply store here. So it's kind of like a pioneer merchandise, I think. Oh, it's really dark in here. A lot of houseware, candy. Whoa. Whoa. Is it this? Oh, I love the inside, the decorations. Hello.
Hello.
Merch haul. Oh my god, this is so cute. They definitely have a lot of Jack merchandise here. Oh, look at this coat. It's very cute. Some new merch here for villains. Oh, they have a Disney villain makeup palette. Who's this by? Matte Beauty. And they also have a little makeup pouch. Bad Influence. That's cute. And there's some face mask. Oh my god, that is so cute. I wonder it's the way that's supposed to look like them. What's this? Bath bomb. Oh, let me get up. So there's some Halloween merch here. Interesting to see if anything that they have and we don't. So right away, we don't have the light, the garland light. That's cute. And we do not have this. Oh, this is so cute. How much is this? 28 euro. That is very, very cool.